friends, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Flavors of Markets. So this is the tutorial of TradingView. TradingView was not available on the Play Store, so now it's finally available on the Play Store and you can download it. And TradingView is a very beneficial app to study technical analysis on your mobile, and it's very helpful to see the prediction and direction of markets, where will they go, and you can analyze the charts. So this is the trend line section, which is marked in the red. Then the retracement, like there are some features where we can use Fibonacci retracement. This is the brush where you can draw various supports, and this is the text. This is also one feature. And this is the like going long and going short. It measures risk reward ratio. And this is the arrow and the different symbols you can use. This is the ruler. This is the plus zoom in, zoom out. This is the magnetic scale, and these are some other features in TradingView. TradingView is very detailed application. You can find a lot of features here. This is the Titan stock, and you can see that these are the time frames we can adjust: 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minutes, and so on. We can at least we can see for 1 day also, for 1 month also. Charts will be according to it. Then there are the various candlesticks. You can see the stocks in a line chart also and a bar chart also. So these are various. You can draw the indicators. You can put in the indicators also. These are the Bollinger Bands, moving averages. You can set an alert if the price moves down. Then you can set an alert that the price is moving under the level which you have set, and you can get the notification on your Gmail or mobile. So this is one feature, and also you get to replay the movement of your charts. And then there are settings, and there is a full screen also. This is the full screen mode, where you can see full featured chart on your full screen. And there are also ideas which are posted by the other traders. This is the chart, and you can see TradingView, and you can also there is a watch list of yours. Where you can see that the stocks of your the added stocks in your watch list, so you can check it daily where the price is moving. This is the time where you can see the exact time of the candle formation. So this is the companies which we study, and these are the indexes like Nifty, Bank Nifty. So this is the Nifty 50 chart. You can see the trend direction of the Nifty, where it's going. You can draw trend lines. You can see the move. You can add the moving averages, and you can study according to that. So before to learning this technical analysis, I'll put more such videos about detailed technical analysis, which you can study, and more videos to come ahead. So this is how I'm drawing the trend line. You can draw the trend line here. Also, you can draw a horizontal line. It's like this for support and resistance, and you can also add like Fibonacci retracement. So this is like you can draw rectangles, triangles, and different shapes. This is the brush which you can draw various patterns on it. This is the triangle. You can see for risk to reward ratios. You can see that what will be the risk and what will be the reward. This is the section which you can see. These are the symbols, various symbols you can add onto the charts for your understanding. And this is the ruler, like what points the candle moved in a day, or what points are moving down and up. So you can measure it from the ruler. You can see the data of last 5 years, 10 years. These are the indicators where you can get candlestick patterns also, various candlestick patterns like doji star, dragonfly, shooting star. So that should be it, guys. I'll cover some more detailed concepts in the coming videos. Stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.